I'm just trying to figure out when the heck is Volvo gonna take care of this regen problem. Way too many truckers in these D13s having the same problem. We've been having the same problem. They ask for a regen, but then your truck won't do the regen for you manually. Like, what's the point? Like, come on, Volvo. For real. Like, don't act like y'all ain't making money. Like, what's the purpose? Let me know. The second Volvo. All do the same thing. Sit there and ask for a regen, but then this right here. Let's see. Ask for a part regen required, engine and D-rate. Then you go in and you try to. This is what it gives you. Conditions not met. So how do y'all clearly ask for a regen, but then when you go into the system to try to do a regen, it don't meet the conditions? Like, come on now, step it up. This is insane. Killing people time. We already lose enough time out here. This is unnecessary. We should be able to do a manual regen on these Volvos. Like, yeah, it's just frustrating, Volvo. Tighten up.